Hi class, for example 1 we're going to do 3 problems. Now on the first problem that they're asking us to do, they just want us to graph the actual coordinate points. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to label these as this is coordinate point A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And then we're just going to put a dot at the intersection where each of those coordinate points happens to be. So let me put the actual arrows on the axis, and then for example on the first coordinate point it's going to be -4, 2. So remember that all of these are expressed as x and y. So -4, this is 1 2 3 4, and then 2, it's going to be right here. This will be coordinate point A, and I'm just going to label it as A, or you could actually write the numbers. B, it's going to be at -1, -2, that's going to be here. This will be coordinate point B. C, it's going to be at 3, 1 2 3, and then -5. So this is going to be 1 2 3 4 5. This will be coordinate C. And then well, the values of 5 has is going to be 2.5. So I'm just going to do a quick sketch on 2, and then, well, 2.5. And then that's going to be at 1 2 1 2.5. I'm just estimating coordinate point D. You could end up with a value that's a little bit messy, and you would just be doing an estimate if it was like a third or another value around there. That's actually it for this problem. They're only asking for us to plot the coordinate points, and let me double check them all. -4 2 1 2 3 4 2, -1 -2, -1 -2, it's B, 3 -5 1 2 3, and then -5 right there, and the 2, and then 2.5. Okay, let's go to the second problem, problem B. And they want us to just name the order pair. So in this case, I'm just going to put my solution here. The coordinate point A, it's going to be x and y, and it's going to be at -4, 1. That's going to be this coordinate point. Coordinate point B, it's going to be at -3, and then -4. That's going to be that coordinate point, and that's actually it. This one, they just want us to name them. The basic idea is that we're using x's and y's. Let's go to the third problem. Our third problem, they want us to name the coordinate point and the quadrant. Okay, so the quadrants, you read them like this. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is 3, and this would be 4. So in this case, our answer for this one, it's going to be that, well, the values of S, it's going to be x, y, and this one happens to be at -2, 4. And the next one, which is T, it's going to be at -4, -2. And then let me just label each quadrant. So order pair S, is on quadrant 2, and then order pair T is on quadrant 3. And that's actually it. So this one wanted 2 answers. They wanted us to name the order pair. In this case, let me double check. S is -2, 4, and T is -4, 2, and then They wanted us to tell the quadrant, well, in this case, order pair is on quadrant 2. That's part of our solution. And then the coordinate point T is on quadrant, in this case, 3. That's actually it for these 3 problems.